Hey, Ariel here, and today we're gonna be walking through the AMP app front to back so you know exactly how to get the most out of your device from day one. Let's start with the home screen. This is your weekly training hub. Here, you'll see a complete 7-day view of your personalized workouts and recovery days. Each week, you get a new plan and your daily workouts adjust based on your readiness and data like your overall sleep and activity from the previous day. The icons are your scheduled training days. On non-training days, AMP automatically fills your calendar with mobility and recovery sessions. In the top right corner of your home tab, your AI coach gives you a weekly overview sharing your insights about your progress, upcoming focus areas, and how your training is evolving.
Hey, this week's all about unlocking your functional strength. Sunday kicks off with a push focus, hitting shoulders and chest.
All right, shoulders and press. Next up, explore. Here, you'll find our full library of workouts, movement challenges, and programs, 500 different moves in our library, over 100 workouts, and nearly 150 programs offering everything from mobility to traditional strength and even Pilates. The recommended tab is all about you. Here, AMP suggests sessions based on your goals, your strength assessment results, and what you've been training recently. You'll also find any programs you're currently following, quick sets if you're short on time, and an AI workout generator. To create a quick set, simply select your favorite movements across different muscle groups. AMP automatically builds a balanced workout, handling sets, reps, and flow, so you can get moving fast without overthinking it. Custom workouts. The Custom Workouts tab is where you can build and save your own workouts with the help of AMP. This tab will also store all of your AI-generated workouts and any workouts from the AMP app library that you've edited. If you want a step-by-step guide on building a custom workout, check out our dedicated video linked below. Looking to explore? The workouts, movements, and program sections gives you access to our entire library, plus programs curated by professional trainers like me. One of the most underrated features of AMP is the Challenges tab. Live challenges gamify your strength. Choose a challenge, complete as many reps as you can, and compare your results in real time with all the other AMP users. I love competing against my family and checking the leaderboard to see how I stack up against our community. You can also share your results to our Facebook community or your social channels for a chance to be featured. Tempo Challenge. The Tempo Challenge is like Guitar Hero for fitness. Follow the tempo cues and catch the drops to stay on rhythm. This keeps your muscles under tension longer, helping you fatigue them effectively while staying focused and engaged. Finally, let's head to your profile. It's the icon in the bottom right corner. This is where you fine-tune your experience. Strength assessment. As you progress, AMP will periodically prompt you to complete a strength assessment. This helps keep your programming accurate, challenging, and aligned with your current ability. In Preferences, you can update your number of active days, workout duration, which days you prefer to train, and your workout goals. Any changes you make here instantly help AMP modify your programming, so your plan always works for you. Integrations. Here is where you connect your Apple Health Kit to AMP to receive real-time readiness on your home screen. And you can link Spotify or Apple Music to listen to music during your session. Choose from our curated playlist or play your very own, whatever keeps you motivated. That is your walkthrough of the AMP app. Personalized plans, new workouts, live challenges that adapt to you. Now, let's get training.